In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone in Slack. Now, technically, Slack doesn't use the word block the same way social media platforms do. Instead, what you can do is hide a person so you no longer see their direct messages in your sidebar and don't get distracted by that conversation. This is especially helpful if you don't need to talk to someone anymore or you just want to clean up your workspace and focus on the people you interact with regularly. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser and make sure you're in the correct workspace. On the left-hand side, you'll see your list of direct messages. From there, select the person that you want to block, or in this case, hide. Just click on their name so that the conversation with them opens in the main menu. Once the conversation is open, look for the conversation details option. This is usually represented by an eye in a circle or a similar icon near the top right of the chat window. Click on this to open the Conversation Details panel. This panel shows information about the person, options for notifications, and other conversation settings. In this Details panel, look for the option labeled Hide. This is the key action that lets you effectively block the person from appearing in your list. Click on Hide, and when you do this, Slack will typically ask you to confirm, just to make sure you really want to remove this conversation from your view. A confirmation message or pop-up will appear with a button that says something like Hide this person. Go ahead and click on Hide this person to finalize your choice. After you confirm, the direct message with that person will disappear from your sidebar. You won't see the conversation cluttering your workspace anymore, and remember, you could always bring the conversation back if you need to by searching for the person's name in the Slack search bar or starting a new direct message with them. Hiding doesn't remove your message history, and it doesn't stop them from being able to message you. It simply helps you control what you see and stay focused. That's pretty much it. You've just learned how to block, or more accurately hide, someone in Slack so your workspace stays clean and distraction free. Thank you for watching. Make sure to drop a like if this video helped you and check out our other tutorials.